So now looking over at this left-hand menu, you'll see a few things. So you'll see the create an event button, calendar, so that if you wanted to look ahead at the months, but you didn't necessarily want to change it here, you can have both views going on. And you'll also see your different calendars. So this is going to be your main calendar. So this is purple for me. Click here on these dots and you can change the color of it. That can just help to differentiate between different calendars. And you'll also see a place for other calendars, which we will talk about later. Now I'm going to come up to this create an event button. I'm going to select it. And now this screen right here is going to be a great option if you want to make just a quick event and say you can change the date here. We want this to be next Wednesday at, let's say, 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Here you can select all day, or you can select the time zone. So very important when we are in Kentucky. But I'm going to come down to more options just to show you a different screen. So this is the quick test event. And now you'll see that it's just going to be on a bigger page. So this is just going to be a test event. So you'll see here you can change the date. So again, we're starting on the 30th, but let's say that maybe we want this to happen until the 31st at 2 p.m. Now again, you can click there on all day. And then down here, you're going to see some options. So you can add a location. So if there's a physical location that you want to add, that can go there. You can also set a notification or an email for however many minutes before the event starts. That's a great one. You can also come down here and change a few other things. So right here, you're going to see that this is a place where you can add an attachment. So any agendas or minutes from the last meeting can be easily attached right here. This is also a great spot to put a Zoom link or any information that needs to be sent out along with the event. Now to add guests to your event, you are going to click here and you'll see that people who you often meet with will come up as options, but you can also type in any emails here. Then you're going to click save and you'll see that my test event is happening from the 30th until the 31st. Now I'm going to click on it once more and you'll see that this will pop up. To make any changes, you can click this pencil, which is going to just bring you back to that same page. Then you can also delete it. So if the event gets canceled, you can delete it there. You can email the event details to someone. So you can type in their email address or forward an event. And then here you have more options. So you can print it, you can duplicate it, you can change the owner. So that might be important if once we get, more comfortable using it. But so this is just a good thing to know about basics. Now, another thing to point out here is that you'll see that because this is an all-day event or a multi-day event, so let's go back in and I will show you. So we're going to put this back to March 30th so that this is happening from 1 to 2 p.m. That is going to change and you'll see the time that it starts and a dot. Now, if I was to select it again and make it an all-day event, you'll see that this purple bar shows up. So that is how you can tell if it's an all-day event or if it is just a couple of hours.